Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to the 28 Days Eat with Hu's Kitchen video series. Today is day 26. If you haven't watched the video from yesterday, I will pop the link down below. Make sure you check them out. This morning, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this sticky chicken in banana leaves. This dish is super easy, super simple, so fast to make. Let's start straight away. Before we start to do anything, I just put half of a cupful of rice and half of a cupful of glutinous rice in my rice cooker. So I'm gonna let them cook while we prepare for other ingredients. Today I'm using chicken breast. I got about 200 grams of chicken breast in my glass bowl. So the first thing I'm going to do here, we are going to marinate the chicken. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half of a tablespoonful of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 tablespoon of oil. So here I'm gonna give everything a good mix. Now I'm going to use some cling film, cover this glass bowl and leave it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. I'll be back in a sec. While we are waiting for the chicken, I just quickly prepared a few things. I got 6 dried shiitake mushroom, which I already put them in the boiling hot water and let them sit on the side for about 10 minutes and then I chopped them. And I also got 2 spring onion chopped, 4 garlic cloves chopped, and also I got something special here. So basically, it's a special type of Chinese sausage. It's called cured Chinese sausage. For this specific dish, we only need 1 of them. So here, I'm just gonna chop them in small slices, that will do. And also, the water we just used to prepare the dried shiitake mushroom, we are going to keep them. And that's everything we need to prepare for now. Once the chicken is ready, I'm going to move to the hob. My rice has done, I just took them out and leave them on the side to cool a little bit. And the chicken is done as well. So I'm gonna quickly turn on the heat. Then we are going to add in some oil. Then I'm gonna turn the heat to medium heat. And I'm gonna add in all the chicken. Here we are going to cook the chicken for a little bit until they all change the color. Once chicken all change color, we are going to add in spring onion and garlic slices. Then we are going to add in the Chinese sausage and dried shiitake mushroom. Then we are going to add in the water we used for mushroom earlier on. So basically we're gonna add in just enough to cover everything. Then I'm gonna turn the heat to high heat. Here we are going to cook everything in the pan until not much water left in it. As you guys can see, there isn't much water left in here. So I'm going to quickly add in tiny bit salt and black pepper. And then I'm going to mix them quickly and turn off the heat. And we are going to let the mixture cool tiny bit on the side. And then I'm going to teach you guys how to wrap the filling. So my rice and my filling are slightly cool now. Here we are going to use banana leaves today. So basically just look like these massive leaves. So I managed to find them in the Chinese supermarket, and they came frozen, and I just defrost them and give them a quick wash, then cut them into pieces like this big. So you can cut it however you like, as long as it can wrap the filling and the rice at the same time. So here I'm gonna grab a piece of banana leaves. Then I'm gonna put a layer of rice at the bottom. Then I'm gonna add in some filling. Press down into the rice. Then I'm going to put another layer of rice on top of the existing layer. Then we are going to wrap it. So here I'm just going to wrap the side, the middle, like an envelope, and then close up from here, here, basically like this. Then I'm going to use some cocktail sticks. Go in from the one side all the way inside, and then come back out from here. Here, just like this. And then one of the sticky chicken in banana leaves is done. Now I'm going to quickly make a few. So here I'm back to the hob. I'm trying to light my steamer, build some steam inside. Once the steam is ready, I'm going to put it in my banana leaves parcel. Now I'm going to put it in my parcel. Because everything in the banana leaves already been cooked, so we are only going to leave them in the steamer for 5 minutes, and then we are going to take them out and plate them up. I got my banana leaves parcel out of the steamer, and I'm going to open them and give it a try, and I will let you guys know what it tastes like. I just sprinkle a pinch of spring onion on top of my sticky chicken. Now I'm going to show you my dish. Here is my homemade sticky chicken in banana leaves. Some of you guys probably want to ask me, if everything already cooked, why we steam them in the banana leaves? So basically, the banana leaves gonna add another special layer of flavor and smell in this dish. You can either use banana leaves or lotus leaves. The dish itself doesn't have any fresh smell or taste at all, so we are using banana leaves here to balance that. And some of you guys might already see I have a few different steamers, so there's no difference. Whichever type of steamer you want to use, they're all the same. So I'm using different one because some of the dishes might be slightly larger, or the steamer itself is not clean yet, not available for me to use. Now, it's the most important part. Try my breakfast. Wow, the banana leaf smells so fresh. Let me give it a try. Chicken, so I got everything on here. Honestly, it's super delicious. After you tried it, you will know the banana leaves definitely is a must in this dish. It's balance all the flavor, give the freshness you need. Actually, if you follow my recipe, this dish here is super easy to make. Nothing skillful involved. We don't need to use dough. We just need to use some banana or lotus leaves. Right, now I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know what's going on for lunch or dinner, don't forget the bell. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye.